Hello everyone. This is Daniel here. So I just got back from vacation and I got the car back like a long time ago, but I didn't have a chance to look at it. I didn't have a chance to give you guys the update. So here it is. So the emblem, the badge, the Tesla emblem and the dual motor has been put back. The one that I missed. So they'll be back now. And the scratch or the broken area right here, I thought it was damage or something, but they said it wasn't. They just buffed it out and it's clean, so it wasn't damaged on the glass. And for the rim, they replaced the whole rim, so it's all good on that one. And the paint chips right around here has been repaired also. They took it to the body shop. Let's see what else. Yeah, the repeater, the camera right here, they said it wasn't working, so they replaced it. And for the gap on the rear, they said it's within specs, so they didn't do anything about it. And also the third row that it's hard to move in and out, it said it's within spec also. So I don't know. It's a little hard to get in and out to pull. They said it's normal. And also the glove box, they didn't fix it. And open it, it touches the seat right here, so the other side is fine, except this side. So I'm asking them to look at it again, because in the long run, if I keep open it and close, it's gonna wear down the seat and the handle right here. And they scratch my car in the pin right behind us, but they called me, they told me that it scratched it and they took it to the body shop for me. So they're pretty honest, but I found another problem. This is the scratch right here. They scratch a headliner and the little wire in the back seat, like dangling. They didn't put it back nicely, and I'm taking it back for them to fix it. Yeah, the scratch area around here, but they painted back. And the headliner, I think when they repaired it, they took this out. And so now I'm a little worried to have the car serviced again, because they may damage or mess up my car again. But well, for the headliner, it's pretty bad. There's a scratch, and in the back they don't tuck it back in properly, and it looks bad. So hopefully this time they can fix everything all at once, so that I don't have to take the car there again. And I know it's gonna take a while because they have to order parts and stuff. And also I lost the premium connectivity, so I paid $100 to subscribe, or $9.99, but I paid $100 for the whole year, and because I need it for the map. The traffic visualization won't display if you don't subscribe to premium connectivity. Even you connect it to the hotspot on your phone, it won't show. So it's like a must-have, and it comes with all the internet stuff too. So it's pretty helpful. It's pretty useful. I can watch YouTube while waiting for my wife to shop, to go shopping or something like that, or vice versa. And yeah, I think it's worth it. But if it's $5 a month, it would be better. It would be good. $10 is it's like something that you don't use a lot, you know, for everyday use. You just use it while you drive like 30 an hour a day just to go to work back and forth. So I don't think it should be worth $10. Oh well. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys update later on once I get the car back. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I just received a message from Tesla today that they don't have a loaner for me. I was on my way already and they just sent me a text. So I had to reschedule and waiting for a loaner. Because without a loaner, it will be difficult for me because I need a car to go to work. Even they have the Uber Lyft credit, it's not gonna be convenient for me. So I had to reschedule to next week. Hopefully they had a loaner for me that time. And well, if they don't send me a message, I would take it early, waiting for them to open at 8, like to be first come first serve on the loaner like before. But because they sent me a message, I don't want to take a risk and go, and then they said there's no loaner, then I'll be fucked. My bike service is home. For the service again. Yun yung lang tayo. Tesla. I don't know why. This Model X. Oh, so beautiful. 7 passenger. Bay ini. Pinamok. Kendor. But I'm good.
I'm just going to save this under your account and I'm just going to log you out.
Your steering wheel. More exact. Remember, I even got ticket. But too bad, I'm looking. I paid. Direction out. What do I? No sensor. Trunk, big space. With a light, man. It is 141,000. Nhìn YouTube lên cái biết. That's good for the kids. You go back.
So when it says loan after potential savings, what does that mean?
It's very nice for the back passengers. Yoke steering wheel. Big screen. Chẳng có thứ á. Close. Cái này bạc thủy tiết lâu dòng lưng mà thòng mà to Bless you. There's a stain. Okay. Everything looks okay. No. Alright. X.
Now bear left onto Central Avenue.
Sat man it. Nice to try Mod X again. Love it. Yeah, cái đó chúng ta sẽ có máy vô lên được với đọc thì thôi hái gặp bạn thì vô và để cho có máy chúng mong nhầm thì vô có đặt trên mơ có đặt bàn check mơ cần khả năng là về nhưng mà đó mà mình bánh check mơ tới khơi như thế scratch nơi cái bộ headliner hay là giờ từ thừa mình cái ở đây thay cái thằng thôi mà đó bởi vìปัญหาthờiแบบเกกันลงไปใส่สมัยเมาแต่ยัง can make exception for me one time นะมึงดังมาในสกมัยมันเป็นอย่างไรอะไรมันโลเนอร์บอดเอ็กซ์แบบกูกรอยู่เมื่อมาได้เอ็กซ์มาถึงbuy lottery, maybe I hit someday. Wish. Cho lá.
Hả?
Cho lá nọ chia. Mình tâm tính lá muối ở Mod X. Đó chia mà. Cái đam mà chết bị bác thứ ai mà. Thế à chừng, bác thứ ai. Mấy mình lọt chọp chừng. Mơ chừng. Bạn lan thao 10 lan cây xa. Bạn chia mơ. Chia mơ mà đó mà đâu Model X admin no Model X. Ấy chị bạn pramui nè mình đây mà mau ไม่มีอะไรไม่ได้ที่ร้านนี้ช่างบ้านนั้นช่างบ้านซ่อมลวกลวกได้ติงได้ท่านมีได้ลวก
Này trai ngon đáng tiếc này.
โจระยังน้องโจระบ่ได้อะไรจีเทสลาโจระ
Ngon rồi.
ไอ้ซาโยนถึงหมดได้ไอ้จิตเครื่องไซน์เอาน้ำ
Còn năm hành mơ nhắn một lên.
ติงมากระพง
Năm thì biết uống từ năm.
เอาน้
Có năm khoan khoan là còn.
น้ำต้นไม้กันนากันนา
ำเอาร้านบาร์กลูไนดอง
คอยอุ้มได้เฉิด
อันนี้มาอยู่มวยself driving package
มีอันที่เขาวิ่งวิ่งวิ่งเกี่ยวไปอันโจต้องจัดเรียนมาตายมา
chứ mà thọ ấy chích chốc
Ca
chích đó
tức ca tức biết đó.
น้องนี่เจอเราเจ้าខ្ញុំទៅ shopping ខ្ញុំទៅ grocery shopping គេក៏អាច
cho cả đá lên chơi mà
Ross everybody likes Ross
bye bye
bye bye Mama con bị chu con đi bơm mẫu gà cái này là cái gì
Biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy were really good.
no đã tới yêu miền hit đi xem màu nào thì hit đi đã steering wheel ta nó mới miền mũi lại pet toys with rồi giờ này mà toy vốn mình gặp thông